apologize up front for any increased wind noise. I lifted my my modular helmet back in Mustang and my dead cat fell off my microphone. I managed to find it and get it put back in my pocket, but I haven't pulled over to put it back on yet. So Dwayne and I, are on our way to Anadarko, Oklahoma to get a burger from Joe's. I've mentioned it before in a previous video. They're not open on the weekends. Pretty much nothing in Anadarko is open on the weekends. But this is Friday, so we're going to go down and get a burger. And doing a little bike tuning on the way. Coming into good old Gracemont, Oklahoma. A lot of my wife's family's from here. And there is a cute little restaurant in this town too, but they're usually closed. Looks to me like they're open though. Yep. But that's not where we're going. It's been windier than hell. So I haven't really turned on the camera, except for when we come to a stop. With the dead cat gone, I'm sure that's not much better than the windy times. And we're rolling into Anadarko now, crossing the Ouachita River. This burger joint's right inside of town. It's just up here on the left somewhere. So you're not going to see a whole lot of Anadarko, but you're not going to miss a whole lot of Anadarko either. I believe this is it right up here. Yep. Not to be confused with Oklahoma Joe's. Oklahoma Joe's is barbecue. This is Anadarko Joe's. Joe's Burgers, Steaks, and Catering. Been here once before, like I said, and it's really damn good burgers. So I may have to try something else. We'll let you know. Well, once again, I'm a failure and didn't take pictures of my food. But I'm not a failure because I remembered to put the dead cat back on my microphone, so hopefully the wind noise is down. But if you're ever in the Anadarko area, definitely check out Joe's Burgers and Steaks. And it's not just burgers and steaks. They got Mexican, they've got wraps, burgers, pork chops, fish, a little bit of everything. Me being a creature of habit, got the exact same burger I got last time. Whatever. Taking a little different route back home, going through Chickasha, Oklahoma. We're on US 62 right now. We're going to 92, which will take us north through Amber, Oklahoma, into Tuttle, and then we'll swing back through Mustang again, back into the Bethany area. But I think we're going to stop at a bike night just around the corner from my house on the way in. Still windy as hell, but like I said, hopefully the old dead cat on the microphone's making that a little better on it. I was just looking for another reason to say dead cat. We'll go ahead and shut her off here, and I might kick it back on in Chickasha. It's a bigger town. It's not really got a whole lot to look at. Neither do the little towns. I'll just turn it on to turn it on. So we'll see you then. The little town I forgot was here, Verdon, Oklahoma. I don't know anything about it anyway. Maybe I'll look it up and put a little blurb at the bottom of the video so you'll know something about Verdon. So will I. Also didn't know I was riding this direction at first. We were going to go up to Ponca City to a Mexican restaurant up there. Ponca City is straight north and the wind is blowing very hard to the south today, so that would have been a pretty terrible ride. Of course, now we're going to be going straight north, going back to Oklahoma City from Chickasha, but whatever. I'm getting pretty good at using that whatever word lately, huh? And that was Verdon. Well, you missed Chickasha, but you've seen it before. Welcome to Amber, Oklahoma. Oldest consolidated school district, I think is what it said. There used to be, I don't know if it's still open or not, there used to be a place in town called Ken's Steak and Ribs. And we always heard good stories about how good their steak was. And it was right down there. Looks like it might still be open. So my wife and I came here for our second or third anniversary dinner. Rode down here on our bikes. She had a bike at the time. We both had 2006 GSXR 750s. And it was a really damn good steak. Not the best steak I ever had, but it was a really damn good steak. And as you can see, we're already outside of Amber, Oklahoma. So not something you'd really expect in a small town restaurant like that probably doesn't survive on the locals. But it was really damn good. Back in the wind. Welcome to Tuttle, America. Previously the home of my favorite motorcycle shop. Street Bike Depot is the name of it. The owner went out of business to go teach machine shop in school, high school. Songbird Mercantile. It is not what a motorcycle shop should have become. Jason White Boulevard. I guess maybe this is where Jason White was from. A foosball player that got a Heisman Trophy from OU. Now he sells shitty air conditioners for way too damn much money. That's all she wrote for Tuttle. Welcome back to Mustang, Oklahoma. This is a really up-and-coming town. There wasn't really a whole lot here when I first came to Oklahoma in 2003. I don't know when the first time I ever came to Mustang was. Well after 2003. It may have been well after 2007 when I got married. I don't remember. But it has grown exponentially since then. Jesus. Fucking idiots. Both of those idiots staring at their phones. Fireworks in Oklahoma County, Oklahoma are 100% illegal to buy, sell, own, all that stuff. All that stuff. So right up here at the Canadian County border is a giant fireworks shop. And if I had to sit and think of all the money that I've spent, oh yeah, I've never spent any money in there. Because I don't like lighting my freaking cash on fire. It's mine, motherfucker! found a tape measure. That's really about it for this ride, I think. So as always, I appreciate you riding along, and we'll see you on the next one.